Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can power off and restart OnePlus device without using buttons. So if you want or if you cannot use the power buttons and or volume buttons, you can actually turn off your device just by using your screen. And in order to do this, first we need to go to the settings. There we go. Now over here we need to scroll down and go to accessibility and convenience, then go to accessibility, and over here we have accessibility menu. We want to open this option and then enable the shortcut. Press allow. Then we can, for instance, use the accessibility button, which will be over here. Press OK. And now if you tap on this accessibility shortcut, you have the power option, and if you press it, you will open the power menu. So now we can move the circle towards the restart option in order to restart our device, or towards the power off option in order to turn off our device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.